Hello. In this video, I am going to show how we can handle customer account in the POS. Okay. So as you can see, I am on the point of sale module now, and in another tab, I just opened the accounting partner ledger also to see how it's reflecting in our system. So first, I'm opening that point of sale. So once I click on this new session, the system will open the one point of sale session, and we can proceed with the item sales. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, so once the session is open, we can see what are the items we need to sell. So just choose what are the items you want to sell, or just click here, or you can scan the item. That item will be added. The amount is 5,800. Okay, that's the amount. Now here we can see one customer option. Click on customer option, and we can choose who are our employees. So let's say it's a Boyd Kamau. So he's a customer. Sorry, or he's a employee or customer. Okay, whatever it is. So we can choose that customer here, and we can click on this payment button. Once you click on payment button, you will see an option like a customer account. Instead of choosing the payment methods here, you can choose this customer account. So you can see already that name is there, and the remaining is zero, change is zero. You can click on validate button. So once you click on validate button, okay, it will go to the new next screen, and you can go for the new order, and you can proceed with the next sales. So let us close the session. So the total amount will show here. You can see 5,800 is on customer account, and this is the previous balance we have on the system, 174 triple zero. Okay. So once we close the session, we can move to the accounting module now. So I'm just opening the next tab. So here you can see I'm on the accounting module. So this is the current partner ledger. So you just come to reporting and open partner ledger once again. Now you will be able to see that Boyd Kamau as a 5,800, and you can see that amount under the debit side. So whenever he's doing a payment against this amount, you just go to the customers, and we can click on payments, click on create button, choose customer as Boyd Kamau, and we can put whatever the amount they are paying. So that amount we can put here. So once it's done, you can enter whatever the memo you required. So test payment. So let us give it like that, payment. So once it's done, you can confirm the record. So once you confirm the record, you will have an option to do the payment matching. So once you click on payment matching, we can select, okay, this is the payment they have done, and this is the open in amount. So just click on reconcile button, and again come to reporting partner ledger. So you can see that amount is updated, and we can see, okay, whatever the remaining amount, it's a 2,500. That's the remaining amount now. So in this way, we can handle the customer account in Odoo.